Stop wasting time. The most important commodity in this world is time. Time is priceless. Time is the essence of what you do each and every day. See, a lot of people show up at a job and they work and work and work and they don't like it. Or they show up at a school and they study, take tests and don't like it. But for some of us, we have went to a place to where we realize that all of that is for something to make us better. That is a mindset. That's not disciplining small things. They're realizing that a higher power is in a charge to get you on the path, and with your freedom of choice, you can make yourself even greater. Success is not overnight. It's studying, it's learning, it's growing, it's falling down and getting back up, it's falling and falling forward, it's not quitting, it's late nights, early mornings, no alarm clock, passion walking you up. It's something inside an intact ability that make you feel like I am something and I'm gonna to be something. Never let anybody tell you different. So I need you to believe you can move past desperation, anxiety, fear, and all these emotions that come in that are not part of what you are gonna be one day. I know it's tough, but time and time again, the tougher it is, the better it's gonna make you. We can't shy away from the things that are tough because those are the things that make us better and better and better. That's practice. That's in and out. That's rep after rep, time after time, lap after lap, lesson after lesson, paper after paper, book after book, training our mind to get better each and every day. That's in you. You have built, even built for this. You can't quit. You can do it. Not depression, not learning disabilities, not stress, not families, not finance, not being the smartest one in the class, not being a great test taker. You can do this. You have been built for this. Nothing just happened. You are in this situation for a reason and you are built for this. This is your time. This is your moment. This is your density. So stop wasting time. So, how many seconds, how many minutes, how many hours have we wasted? How many weeks, how many months, even how many years have we wasted doing things that we know are not productive towards our dream? The reality is that we have to maximize our time in order to make our dreams reality. Stop wasting time. We can never get it back. Why I am here? Can you realize me? By were you born? You have become the person you are supposed to be and move on to the greater part of the life. See, a lot of people show up at a job and they work and work and work and they don't like it, or they show up at a school and they study, take tests and they don't like it. But for some of us, we have went a place to where we realize that all of these for something to make us better. That mindset, that's not despising small things. They're realizing that a higher power is in a charge to get you on a path. And with your freedom of choice, you can make yourself even greater, making yourself believe you can do it. It's a part of a process. It wasn't start without any work. You have to work through it. Tell yourself that you will do it. What can we do? What are some of the keys that we can things to use to motivate ourselves, ban ourselves, Our batteries run low because I don't care who are you. I don't care what you do. At some time you are going to get tired. At some time you are going to get in a rage. Seem like nothing you do works out right. At some time it just seems like you don't have the wherewithal or the will to do anything. At some time you act like you are punch drunk. You are just wading through life, just doing time day in and day out, looking at non-discriminatory television, nothing that's on, just looking and disappear, feeling powerless, feeling useless and bored. What do you do? How do you get yourself out of a rage? How do you, when you know you can do more than what you have been do and you are not doing it? You are discontent with where you are. You get angry at yourself. How do you get out of that rage? How do you motivate yourself? One of the things that we must do is that we must involve in working on achieve self mastery. You must work on yourself continuously. Never be satisfied with yourself. Always know that as you invest the effort and time on you, that's the greatest ability that human beings have above animal. See a dog can't be nothing but a dog. Tree can't be nothing but a tree. Human beings have not got unlimited potential. You can put effort on you, and by concentrating on you and developing you, you can transform your life wherever you are right now. Most people won't do that. They won't take time to go to lectures. They won't take time to go to seminars. They won't take time to go to classes to improve themselves. And as you continue to work on yourself, you will begin to expand your vision of yourself. You will begin to work towards self mastery and you will begin to see it reflect itself in all the dimension of your life, your mentally life, your physical life, your social life, and your relation, your mentoring life. So concentrate on developing yourself because if you don't, I guarantee that you will make a sentimental and most people have and most of us already have. What kind of sentimental have you made with yourself? You know when we make sentimental out of 4 centimeter, you have height of themselves. That means that you decided to take something less than what you originally want to get. Had you gone into court, and the reason that you settle outside of court is because you don't believe that you can get it. So you made an out of court settlement. Many of us are making in life settlement. We are settling for less than what we actually deserve. We don't feel good about it, but we make it work. In our mind, we will come up with some kind of excuse to make it alright, extraordinary. When we put our mind to it, we can do extraordinary things. The White brother also they did achieve fight after time and time again of making mistakes. 66 years later, the human race was able to put a man on the moon. It's being said that the time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Also, you have lost it, you can never get it back again. The human mind has the mindset that has also get focused on a goal and buckle us down and realize what it wants to human beings and can do extraordinary things. See, some of us get these labels and these deficiencies, and we just hang our hat on that and we make excuse. You know you can't make excuse and be successful at the same time so quickly. At the young age I realized that I have got to outwork other people. Nothing is impossible when you don't quite stop wasting time, cause if your life every second like it's your last time, you will never waste time. God's height, onward and upward toward the light.